Sally, you are our 2026 Ever Forward Nursing Champion.
It was a surprise, so I had no idea. I came around the corner and all 6 of my siblings are sitting there, and my mom and dad.
Sally's my girl. When she walked in the door, I remember knowing that we had to have Sally.
Did you hear that I wrote a poem about her?
No.
Do you want to hear the poem?
Yeah.
Okay. She wakes up each morning at the crack of dawn, walking her dog Tilly up and down the lawn.
So every morning I usually come out and get to enjoy the beautiful sunrise. It's the perfect way to enjoy some quiet time, say my morning prayers, and get ready for the day. Being in a rural community, a lot of these people are farmers and ranchers. That's one thing about home health. When you get into their house and just find a little connection. Mention I have a couple horses and the conversation just starts going.
Hair fixed, horses fed, gas in the tank. Prepping for the day ahead, a schedule full, not blank.
Hey Bill, good morning.
Arriving to work ready, her head and heart prepared.
So how you doing today, Bill?
She greets each patient.
This one walked in my house first time,
Getting a little less colorful, Bill, a little tender.
and I could just tell by looking at her, compassion.
All right, let's do some vital signs.
Vitals,
Let's do this arm.
goals, stories to be
Took
shared.
down my snow fence.
Compassion is so important in nursing. Compassion is so important in our daily activities with each other.
I've never seen a nurse like her. Patients and families all concur.
No signs of infection or anything. So. Bill is a veteran, tells me come whenever, you're like the highlight of my week.
It's amazing to see how Sally's positively impacted people when they're in some of the hardest times in their life.
Being able to bring that joy and hope to patients.
Her steady head, kind heart, talent in her hands.
Everything she does, it's about you.
All right, Bill, anything else I can do for you?
When she walks out the door, you know you've been helped.
Thanks, Bill. We'll see you. See you next week. Good Samaritan Home Health, this is Sally.
Able to work through tasks, charting, and all of work demands.
Good morning, Dee. It's Sally. Yeah, we're just a couple minutes away.
Good Samaritan focuses on reaching people in their communities, reaching people in rural areas, and South Dakota is filled with that. She brings love and compassion and hope right into their home.
Hello, hello. So how was your night, Dee? Home health is, you just never quite know what you're gonna find, but that's what I love about it too. It's a little bit unpredictable and very rewarding.
I've had a lot of nurses because I spent like 7 months in the hospital up in Minneapolis, and they were some amazing nurses, but she tops them all.
Just being able to support them and not only their physical journey, but helping them mentally and emotionally as well, listening to them.
Acts like a friend and a family, you know, like she's part of the inner group.
Sally, you are a true treasure.
We got it, Dee.
A poem just won't do. So please accept our gratitude. We hope it all comes through.
She's the epitome of what nursing excellence looks like.
To me, she's top of the line because of that compassion.
She's just God's
See
angel.
you tomorrow. All right.
This Black Hills team is stronger
It's one of my favorite things about my job is the team that I work with.
with you on our side. Sally Kangas, we are so proud of you. It cannot be denied. That's what I would tell Sally.
Home health, it is the best gig ever. Love my job. It doesn't really feel like a job, truthfully.